Well, welcome, Mr. Komori, to the Drupa Report Daily Stand, and thank you for taking the time to take part in our Red Sofa interview today. First of all, I'd like to ask you really about your impressions of Drupa so far. I know you've arrived recently.
So this is our 10th drupa for Komori since we have started exhibiting from 1972. This is a very historical exhibition.
And what do you think are the key trends that seem to be impacting your customers at the moment?
So until now, the exhibition like this was a stage where manufacturers show their leading-edge technologies. So since several years ago, the situation has been changing pretty much, and the offset printing industry is now heading towards the change against digital.
デジタルドルパというふうに言われておりました。
So now 16 companies are exhibiting digital presses this time.
このデジタル展示会ということで約16社かな出品しております。我々お客様に対してですね。
So till now the exhibition was a stage where manufacturers exhibit their leading-edge technology. And from now on, we believe this is a place we need to present the tools for the printing companies to earn profits and to make changes to their businesses.
And do you think then, through these digital applications, through your partnerships with Landa and Konica, do you think this will be Komori's largest growth areas in the future? Growth areas, biggest growth.
We believe the important role of Komori is to create a fusion between the digital technologies and the offset printing technology, which is 90 years old. We believe it would be beneficial for Komori to introduce the high quality expectations of the offset printing companies has into this digital areas.
のものをですね、やっぱりデジタルと融合させるということがですね、これからの印刷業界に大変役に立つことであろうと思っております。
And are you happy for these partnerships to be non-exclusive? Obviously, Landa has arrangements with Heidelberg as well as other companies. And
so the technology is always changing, and we believe that the technology which Landa is presenting this time is quite similar to what Komori wants to achieve.
技術というものはですね、我々が培った技術に近いというふうに思っております。
Okay. And as far as your involvement with Landa, I appreciate the machines on show today on Landa stand. You guys were involved with. You built the chassis, the feeder, etc. How long have you been involved in this project?
これちょっと秘密的なところもありますけれども。
This is partly wanted to be a secret, but we have been in cooperation with Landa for around 3 years by now. And then also we have cooperation with Konica Minolta in providing the sheet transfer technologies. So we would like to try continue working with two companies.
ましてその搬送関係をこれからも続けていきたいというふうに思っております。
So you're not looking for any other partnerships now?
わかりません。
We don't. There may be some other partners.
と思っておりますけどね。ただし我々のですね、オフセットの技術、高級志向という考えを
Any new partner has to have the same idea about the high quality demand which we aim, and with such partners we may have possibilities to develop the new digital printing systems.
印刷業界に提供していきたいというふうに思っております。
And what do you think, I appreciate you've only been here not very long at this show, but what do you think will be your key takeaways, your memories of this event?
Obviously, we would very much like to bring as many orders as possible, then to contribute to
売り上げに
sales.
貢献したいというのが一つの目的でありますけど。
And then on sales, actually, I mean, do you think the global recession has changed the way you do business with your customers, how you interact with them, your relationships?
この展示会というのは今までの国際展示会というのはですね、各メーカーの
We believe that the exhibition is a place where you appeal the leading edge technologies again, but the demand of the printing companies is changing, and we would like to be able to propose solutions which will lead to the increased sales and towards changing needs of the printing companies.
いきたいというふうに思っています。
That's great. Well,
ですからこれからもですね、ど
We
んど
would
ん
like
新
to
しいものを
propose new
お客様に提案することで
solutions
お客様と
in order to
絆をですね
create a stronger bond with our customers.
that's great. Well, thank you very much for your time.
Yeah.
It's really
Thank you very
appreciated.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.